Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop. Welcome back to my channel and back to the Bathtub to Shower Conversion part 12, the final part. And as you can see, I went ahead and completed everything. The shower door is installed, shower pan, everything is good to go. Customer actually used it yesterday. The toilet is installed, okay, and floor has been painted. The vanity has been installed and working. The mirror installed, and the light, and the medicine cabinet. The only thing left to do now is put the door in. I'm cleaning the pins, and I have to finish that. But there you go, guys. Final completion of the bathtub to shower conversion. Everything came out good. Customers are really happy with the outcome, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, take care. Bye.